Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add item to chart on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open the app. And then here you can search and select any item you want to add to your chart. And then here please select the specification of your item. And then you can click Add to Chart. Okay, and then your item is successfully added to chart. That's the tutorial on how to add item to chart on Amazon on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.